Hey guys, let's break down this trade that I took this morning. It is Friday, October 3rd. I'm looking at the Nasdaq futures and I'm on the 15-minute time frame. I've placed one trade all week and all month, and let's talk about it. The first thing that I noticed was that in the overnight session, the Nasdaq consolidated in this little rectangle here at all-time highs. So this blue line are the all-time highs from yesterday. So if you scroll over to the left, you see that the Nasdaq made all-time highs yesterday and then it quickly sold off, which tells me that there is selling pressure in this zone. So I was already short bias going into the trading session this morning. And then when I saw this area of consolidation and then it did break down, I thought that this was going to be a downtrend kind of a day. And so this morning I waited until this momentum candle printed right here. So what does this candle right here tell me? This candle tells me that there were buyers that tried to push the price all the way up into this zone again. So this little previous consolidation that it broke out of, and it could not break higher. So it retested this level and the sellers pushed it back down quickly, which is why we see this wick here. I was going to get in at the close of this candle, but then news dropped right at 9 o'clock Central Time and price kind of jumped down pretty quickly, and I don't chase the price. If I cannot get in at my ideal level, I do not take the trade. But it didn't make the move. So I went ahead and I got in here at about 9:45 a.m. Central Time, which is near the area that I originally wanted to short anyways. I sat in drawdown for, I'm not even kidding, for 2 hours. And let me just tell you guys, I feel nothing when I'm trading anymore. It's great if a trade works out, but I am not beside myself if I'm in drawdown. It just is what it is. This was a really high quality setup. And even if price had continued up and stopped me out, then that's fine. At noon, the White House press secretary did start to talk, and she was talking a lot about the government shutdown. And so the price did sort of float down, which was really nice. It started to go in my favor. And this zone down here, if you scroll over to the left, it was a previous resistance, so it could be a support zone now. That is why I decided to close my position right here. Ended up capturing 153 points on this move, risking 64 points to make 153, so that's about a 2.3 to 1. All right, so here are my stats. I'm up 152.5 points with 100% win rate. I don't have a profit factor yet because I haven't had a losing trade yet, but here is my monthly performance. You can see I've only placed one trade this week, and if you go back and you look at September, you can see that I didn't place any trades on Monday or Tuesday. I don't like trading at the end of the month. I had a really good and strong September. Just wanted to tell you that it only takes 1 or 2 good trades a week. You don't need to trade every day. All you need are really high quality setups and you can be profitable. I find that I'm more profitable the less I trade. So when I find high quality setups, that is when I have found the most consistency in my trading. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a good weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye.